Hey guys, it's your boy Trickster here. Look at the chickens. It's your boy Trickster. Yeah, I'm just filming outside. I want to show you guys these chickens. They can be really cringy sometimes, but they're chickens. Come on. Say hi, chicken. Say hi, chicken. Say hi to you too. Come on. You're embarrassing me. Say hello. Oh, chicken. Alright. Yeah, guys, so, I was just gonna talk about, like, what I was thinking about. So, you guys know my YouTube channel, right? So, this summer, I might work on it more. I'm trying to maybe make, like, a studio room so I can upload. But yeah. Oh, geez, there's a plane in the sky. I'm sorry for that noise, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna try to upload, and, yeah, I'm gonna try to make more videos, daily content. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.